Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT, and today we're going to go over how to ace wrap a sprained ankle, especially right after it happens. Okay, so grab an ace wrap. Okay, mine, you could tell, has been around the block a little bit. Okay, but it still has its elasticity. Okay, if you do not have an ace wrap when a sprained ankle occurs, here's a couple awesome tricks. You can take the sock from the unaffected foot and you can use the sock to wrap around the sprained ankle. Okay, I've also used pillowcases and just random things in my car, but now I have a first aid kit in my car in case emergencies happen wherever, right? Okay, so we're gonna go through how to ace wrap your ankle. Okay, so I see this a lot when my son plays baseball and the boys are sliding into the bases because they think that's all fun, except they end up spraining their ankles. So good thing I'm Johnny on the spot. So here's my ace wrap, and this is my Velcro. So I'm going to put the Velcro actually on the top, and I'm going to start in the middle of the foot. Okay, so this way, the ace bandage is able to kind of ride along the body part, okay? Because especially for kids, if they're in pain, they're really not going to want you to move them. Okay, so here I have it started, right? So you always need to support the joints above and below. So far I've just been doing the layers here. Okay, a little bit on to each other, so halfway on the last wrap. Okay, to go on to the next one, right? So here I am, I'm going. All right, and then what's great about having the Velcro in that spot is that now it's able to secure greatly at the top. So you can see how I have my layers, okay? And when a sprained ankle occurs, okay, you want to try to have that foot in a locked position like this rather than wrapping it when it's all floppy. You want it in a locked position and to secure it back into the shoe. So what's great about a gym shoe here is I'm already stretching it out to accommodate for the extra space that the ace wrap and my swollen foot is going to be. So I'm gonna put my shoe on. Okay, now the reason why it's so great to put your ankle back into a shoe is it provides that support, but also it doesn't allow the ankle to swell any farther than what it needs to do. Okay, so we're going to be watching for all that swelling and that tenderness. Okay, so how do you know if this sprained ankle is something more serious? Okay, if you cannot stand on it or take 4 steps, if you cannot take 4 steps on a sprained ankle, that is a strong indicator that something more could be going on, okay? And then there are a couple locations on your foot where bruising can occur that would be a strong indication that a fracture or a very significant sprain has occurred where you need to go to the emergency room, urgent care, things like that. Okay, if you're able to take those 4 steps and still be, slightly uncomfortable, in pain, that's something that you can then do more like a immediate care appointment to get that foundation started of how to rehab a ankle sprain. All right, I will catch you guys later.